Alright, so the first thing we want to do is to make sure we know what our formula is. I'm going to write our formula here. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. First step is to put this in standard form. Here's our quadratic, 2x squared minus 2x minus 12. It is in standard form because the variable, the exponent to the variables are going down. So this is 2, this exponent would be 1, and this x would be to the 0 power, which means it doesn't exist. So it's in standard form. So then we're ready to figure out a, which is 2. A is the coefficient of x squared. B, which is negative 2, always take the sign that is in front of the number. And C, the constant, is negative 12. So once we have that, we're going to go over here and we're going to type in I like to use the division button first, so I get those two. I get that my fraction bar, and then I can put everything at the top that I need to. So the formula is negative. For every letter, please be sure to put parentheses. So this is very important here because B is negative, and if we don't have that inside of parentheses, we can cause a lot of damage. So plus the square root b squared. So I'm putting this in parentheses, putting in b, which is negative 2, and then I'll square it, minus 4. I'm going to put parentheses around a, which is 2, and I'm going to put parentheses around c, which is negative 12. Again, if those parentheses are not there, it's going to change a lot of things for your answer. And then 2 times a is 2. So my first answer is 3. I am going to use my command button to copy this. So command C or control C. And I'm going to go to the next line, control V, paste it, and instead of plus, I need to make sure I change that to see what the answer would be if I were to subtract. So I have 3 and I have negative 2. Now, once you get your answers, you can check to see if you did the quadratic formula correct by turning on the graph. So if you click on number 1, the circle here, it's going to turn on the graph. And we want to make sure that these two answers are the same answers, which are the x-intercepts on the graph. So when I click on there, I have negative 2 and I have 3. So I'm all done.